I got my pressure washer out here. And it's not just any pressure washer. It is a 4,400 PSI, 4 gallon per minute. And the first thing that you hear all these pressure washer guys tell you is to get some SH. What's that? Sodium hypochlorite. That's just bleach. This is 12.5%. And yes, I happen to have this because I use this in my pool. I'm gonna mix this with the bleach. I'm gonna put it in this bad boy. So I get the water in there. And now I'm mixed up pretty good. I'm going to add some surfactant. Now I know that this is a backpack sprayer, but I'm not the one to put a bucket of bleach on my back, so I'm just gonna carry it wherever I need to go. By my hand, of course. And even on my pressure washer, I just snap it in. Done. So this is what it's looking like right now. Pretty disgusting. We're gonna see what this pressure washer is gonna do. I went and picked up one of these turbo nozzles. Okay, just looking a little bit cleaner now. Now I have to do is just fill all that with topsoil. Okay, this is pretty much what the finished product looks like. And this is what it looks like on the other side that I haven't gotten to yet. Big difference. So the only thing I'm going to do different is I'm going to pre-treat the other side. Probably won't even pressure wash it today. I'm going to pre-treat it, and then I'm going to come back and do the treatment all over again tomorrow.